I believe I have 13 implants in my mouth. I have 28 crowns. I've had periodontal treatment. I've had numerous root canals. Every single tooth was restored. Since I was very young, my teeth were always a problem. I always had a tremendous amount of decay. I was always breaking teeth. Various people have worked on me through the years, but I never really had my mouth fixed properly. The good part was it led me into dentistry, which I loved my profession. And Randy, came in with me in the year 2000 into the office, and he became my dentist. And Randy said, Dad, in order to get the look that we want, the smile that we want, and in order to prevent future problems like your whole life has been at the dental office, we're gonna have to start from the beginning and rip it down and build it from there, but build it the right way. He planned it out. We discussed, it step by step. And I was a believer in everything that he had to say, and some things were new to me. He came in with some new ideas and a new way of thinking, and it works. Every one of my 28 teeth has been fully restored. I get compliments all the time, but more important is the fact that I don't break teeth anymore. This restoration, which is called a full mouth reconstruction, has been a lifesaver for me. And I'm forever grateful.